Hello everyone. Let us talk about the important problems in the chapter compound angles. Let us see the first problem. The value of 1 plus tan 22 into 1 plus tan 23 by 1 plus tan 33 into 1 plus tan 12 is. Here the options are, first option is 1, second option is 2, third option is 4, fourth option is -1. We can solve this problem by using the formula. If a plus b is equal to pi by 4, then 1 plus tan a into 1 plus tan b equal to 2. 1 plus tan b is equal to 2. We can find the numerator of this problem. We have to substitute a is equal to 22 and b is equal to 23. Put a is equal to 22 degree and b is equal to 23 degree. Here 22 degree plus 23 degree is equal to 45. Then 1 plus tan 22 into 1 plus tan 23 is equal to 2. We have 1 plus tan 22 into 1 plus tan 23 is equal to 2. Treat it as equation 1. Now we have to find the denominator part. We have to take a is equal to, put a is equal to 33 degree and b is equal to 12 degree. Then we have 1 plus tan 33 degree into 1 plus tan 12 degree is equal to 2. Treat it as equation 2. Consider 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 implies 1 plus tan 22 degree into 1 plus tan 23 degree whole divided by 1 plus tan 33 degree into 1 plus tan 12 degree is equal to, here the RHS is 2 divided by 2, 2 get cancelled, that equal to 1. Here the value of 1 plus tan 22 into 1 plus tan 23 by 1 plus tan 33 into 1 plus tan 12 degree is equal to 1. Here the first option is the correct answer. Let us see the problem. Tan 5x minus tan 3x minus tan 2x is equal to. First option is tan 5x into tan 3x into tan 2x. Second option is 0. Third option is sin 5x minus 3 sin 3x minus sin 2x. Fourth option is 1. According to this problem, we have to consider 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x. 5x minus 2x is equal to 3x. Applying tan on both sides, tan of 5x minus 2x is equal to tan 3x. Here it is in the form of tan a minus b. We apply the formula for tan a minus b, then we will get tan of 5x minus tan 2x by 1 plus tan 5x into tan 2x is equal to tan 3x. By cross multiply we get tan 5x minus tan 2x is equal to tan 3x into 1 plus tan 5x into tan 2x. Tan 5x minus tan 2x is equal to, multiply tan 2x with the terms 1 plus tan 5x into tan 2x, we get tan 3x plus tan 3x into tan 5x into tan 2x. Taking it into left hand side, we have tan 5x minus tan 2x minus tan 3x is equal to tan 3x, tan 5x, tan 2x, tan 2x. Now the answer is tan 2x, tan 3x, tan 5x. Here the first option is the correct answer. See the next problem. In a triangle ABC, then sigma cos of b minus c by sin b sin c is equal to. According to the given problem, we have to take sigma cos of b minus c by sin b sin c. Sin b sin c is equal to sigma. Here the numerator is in the form of cos a minus b. We know that cos a minus b is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Then we can apply the formula. We have cos b cos c plus sin b sin c whole divided by sin b sin c. Sin b sin c. That is equal to sigma. Divide sin b sin c, we get cos b cos c by sin b sin c plus sin b sin c by sin b sin c. That equal to sigma. Here cos b by sin b is cot b, cot c by sin c is cot c plus here sin b get cancelled, sin c get cancelled. We have 1. If you follow the cyclic order, expand sigma like this: cot b cot c plus 1 plus cot c cot a plus 1 plus cot a cot b plus 1. That is equal to cot b cot c plus cot c cot a plus cot a cot b plus here 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. Treat it as equation 1. Now we have to find out the value of cot b cot c plus cot c cot a plus cot a cot b. For this we have to consider in triangle ABC, we know that a plus b plus c is equal to 180 degrees. Now a plus b is equal to 180 minus c. Apply cot on both sides. We have cot a plus b is equal to cot 180 minus c. Cot a plus b is cot a cot b minus 1 by cot a plus cot b is equal to cot 180 minus c is minus cot c. By cross multiply we get cot a cot b minus 1 is equal to minus cot c cot a minus of cot b cot c. Cot b cot c. By rearranging we get cot a cot b plus cot b cot c plus cot c cot a is equal to 1. Now we can substitute cot a cot b plus cot b cot c plus cot c cot a is 1 in equation 1. We have 1 becomes 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Here the fourth option 4 is the correct answer. See the next problem. An angle alpha is divided into two parts such that the ratio of the tangents of the parts is k. If beta is the difference of the two parts, then sin alpha by sin beta is equal to. According to this problem, given that alpha is divided into two parts, let it be A and B. Therefore, alpha is equal to A plus B. Alpha equal to A plus B. Given that beta is the difference of the two parts, that is beta is equal to A minus B. And also given the ratio of the tangents of the parts is K, that is tan A by tan B is equal to K. By cross multiply we get tan A is equal to K into tan B. Here tan A is sin A by cos A is equal to K into tan B is sin B by cos B. By cross multiplying, sin A into cos B is equal to K into sin B into cos A. Rearranging, we get sin A cos B by cos A sin B is equal to K, that is K by 1. Then apply the componendo and dividendo rule. We know that the componendo and dividendo rule is A by B is equal to C by D, then A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. Then apply the componendo and dividendo rule. We get sin A cos B plus cos A sin B whole divided by sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Cos A sin B is equal to, here the RHS is K plus 1 by K minus 1. Here the numerator is in the form of sin A plus B by denominator is in the form of sin A minus B, that is equal to K plus 1 by K minus 1. Here we know that A plus B is alpha and A minus B is beta. Then we get sin alpha by sin beta is equal to K plus 1 by K minus 1. The value of sin alpha by sin beta is K plus 1 by K minus 1. See the next problem. Tan square 37.5 degree minus tan square 7.5 degree by 1 minus tan square 37.5 degree into tan square 7.5 degree is equal to. According to the formula, tan of A plus B into tan of A minus B. Tan A plus B into tan A minus B is equal to tan square A minus tan square B by 1 minus tan square A into tan square B. Here the given problem is tan square 37.5 degree minus tan square 7.5 degree by 1 minus tan square 37.5 into tan 7.5. Here it is in the form of tan square A minus tan square B by 1 minus tan square A into tan square B, that is tan of A plus B into tan of A minus B. Here A is 37.5 and B is 7.5 degree. Then tan of A is 37.5 plus B is 7.5 into tan of 37.5 minus 7.5. That is equal to tan 45 degree into tan 30 degree. That is equal to tan 45 is 1 into tan 30 is 1 by root 3. That is equal to 1 by root 3. Here the answer is 1 by root 3. Third option is correct answer.